Welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss assessment part of multilingual education in primary grades. You will find PDF of all 40 questions in description box. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start the quiz. Why do about 25% of children in elementary school face a severe learning disadvantage in foundational year? The right answer is language used in school and at home are different. Next question. Language of communication used by Adivasi communities working in the tea plantation of Assam can be called as link language. Next question. Studies on the Ethiopian model of language in education show that. The right answer is use of academic language in teaching right from foundational grades help children perform better in all the subject. Next, which of the following statement regarding multilingual education is not true? The right answer is inclusion of variety of languages in the classroom negatively impact students' learning. Creative knowledge can be constructed by traversing the bridge of familiar language. Next, for the success of the foundational literacy and numeracy mission, it is necessary to making use of languages that are familiar to children. What kind of language do we use in our day-to-day life? The right answer is mixed language. Kamla ji wants to teach Hindi to grade 2 students. Which of the following strategies should she use? The right answer is use of Hindi language as per the level of comprehension by the students. The next question. Learning process must gradually move from the familiar to the unfamiliar. This idea can be found in NCF 2005. The researcher scientist Wolf argues. The right answer is language is not everything in education, but without language everything is nothing in education. Next, which of the following statement regarding multilingual education is true? Children's language are used as scaffolds for learning new unfamiliar language. Which of the following is true? Proficiency in various languages is developed in an interdependent fashion. Next, according to UDICE, how many languages are used as a medium of instruction in Indian schools? The right answer is 36. Next, by the term first language means. The right answer is language the child understands. Which of the following is not a key feature of multilingual education? Dominance of one language over others in the classroom. Next, it shall be the endeavor of every state and of every local authority within the state to provide adequate facilities for instruction in the mother tongue at the primary stage of. The right answer is the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution is the right answer. Who among the following children will struggle the most while learning? The right answer is Ramesh, who speaks Bhojpuri in his family and community and studied in an English medium school. The next question. Which of the following is not an example of mixed language? The right answer is the teacher speaks in L2 and the children answer in L2. Next question. Choose a myth related to language teaching. The right answer is the earlier children are given textbook to read in an unfamiliar language, the sooner they will learn that language. Next, Census of India established that most people speak more than one language is the right answer. Helps in better learning of all the subject. Next, the language that is used formally in textbook, teaching learning materials and teaching practice is called medium of instruction. Next, in which situation is a link language used? The right answer is when various linguistic communities live together. Next, which of the following on L2 teaching are not effective in foundational years? The right answer is rote learning of the Varnmala and lessons from the textbook. Next, who has proposed the common underlying proficiency hypothesis of language learning? The right answer is Jim Cummins. Next, what is the objective of introducing the story of Warley Painter in the course? The right answer is to point out one's ability to speak in more than one language as per need. What does National Education Policy 2020 say about the use of mother tongue? Young children learn the best through their mother tongue. Next, who does not face any learning disadvantage due to language used in school? The right answer is children who study in English medium schools have ample exposure to English at home. For the success of foundational literacy and numeracy mission, it is necessary to. The right answer is making use of language that are familiar to children. Which of the following is not a key principle of teaching a second language? Right answer, using L2 vocab for writing from the beginning years. Next, Kamla lives in the Kota district of Rajasthan and speaks Hadoti at home. She has joined grade 1 after a delay of 4 months. Today is her first day at school. What will you do so? The right answer is I will informally chit chat with her in Hadoti. Next, which of the following is not a benefit of multilingual education? Right answer is learning how to read and write in English from grade 1. National Education Policy 2020 mentions in terms of multilingualism. The right answer is as far as possible the medium of instruction until grade 5 should be a language that is familiar to children. Next, which of the following statement does not feature in National Education Policy 2020? Right answer, if children are taught through their mother tongue, they do not have adequate time in school to learn other language. Next question. According to the Census of India, how many different mother tongues are spoken in India? 1369 is the right answer. Next, choose the incorrect statement. The right answer is while learning through the mother tongue, children find it difficult to understand all the subjects. Please subscribe this channel and share this video and like this video.